Yo, what's going on YouTube? How everybody doing? Welcome back to another video brought to you by Godzilla Vlogs. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, please subscribe now. Hit the like button, comment. Just stay tuned. I'm about to go to a parking lot car meet. So you see it's raining out. What bad weather. I shouldn't even be driving a car in this type of weather for real, but it's not bad. There's not no ice or anything outside, so I'm about to go meet my boy, Flyboy Feast. You can follow him on the gram at Flyboy Feast. And follow his car club, Wolfpack Auto Club. They from Philly. So tap in, man. That's my boy. Got good things going for himself, got good things going for his club. And he got a dope ass Camaro build. Y'all need to check that joint out, yo. Again, follow my boy at Flyboy Feast. Y'all don't want to miss this fucking build, yo. Y'all see how I go hard? It's my boy. So he tell me all the time, just like, I motivate him to do these things. So if I'm motivating somebody like that, I'm motivating, period, on something I built, you already know he coming hard. You already know. I'm not gonna get no bullshit motivation. So check it out. See y'all soon. About to do some little GoPro footage probably. I'm gonna see if this trunk gonna mount to the what's the name outside, but it's raining, so I ain't gonna do all that. Man, I might. You're gonna see. Just stay tuned. going on, man? I'm here. I made it, man. There ain't no major car meet, just a little slight joint. It's raining out, so everybody can't really bring their toys out. So we out here right now, man. You already know. You already know what it is, man. Man, got a few people out here right now. Got the toys out. You know, I told you I was vlogging this shit on my GoPro. That joint dying already. Big Zilla. Got the Suvi out. Wolfpack. That's my boy right here. I told y'all to make sure y'all follow his page. Wolfpack. That's his club right here. He the president. This is Graham, y'all. Follow his Graham, y'all. Follow that boy. Follow him too, man. Sick ass Suvi right here, man. Wild body too. Hey, we wild body gang over here. Hey, man. Yo. What's going on, fam? How you? What's up, my boy?
What's up with you?
How you? What's up?
Hey.
How you doing? What's up, man? How you?
Hello.
How you been? You alright?
Yeah.
Well.
What's up, my bad? How you?
How you feeling, man?
What's up, bro?
That was all that nigga the other day too, man.
How are you?
You ain't had nothing to do with that shit, man.
Nice to meet you.
She said she be seeing you
Nah.
around, man.
Oh, hold on. Hold on. I'm sorry. I got cursed these two out. Y'all two bastards. Gonna be outside. Don't call me. First it was him at first. Then y'all link up again and don't tell nobody. Then you join the club. Y'all moving. Oh my God. I mean, I'm proud of you. Congratulations. Well, fuck y'all niggas. How about that? Man, that's crazy, bro. Don't park in my parking spot no more. All right? Don't park in my. You see that VIP access? No, I'm putting a tractor trailer right there. No.
Coming back up no more? Coming back up, I'm sliding. I'm like, what the fuck? How about text little, hey, bro, next time show this thing from me.
No, man, fuck that. Bro, I ain't been there the whole time it snowed. Fuck that. You should have bought a truck, motherfucker. They come out of all-wheel drive Mustang of 23, so you might as well get that.
Yo, they got a fucking Shelby Mustang. I mean, Shelby truck.
Yeah.
That shit hot.
That shit like, what is it, 700 horsepower?
700?
Yeah. Bitch fast. Yeah, the Shelby truck.
They got a video of one of them racing the TRX on YouTube.
Smoked it.
They smoked TRX?
Smoked it.
Wow. TRX.
It's lighter than the TRX.
Talk about new cars. I can't even entertain this shit.
Why?
Man, they got,
No matter what's going on,
Like,
I'm
I
looking
think
for something else, man.
got the newest one.
You
I
want
can't
me to say
remember.
Man, listen, cuz.
Let me ask you this question.
that vet
When he became a member, he's like, damn, what car I'm gonna put the sticker on?
That's
That's bad. That's bad, bro.
He had options.
That's why I be eating noodles in that bitch. You know what I'm saying?
Good,
Got
man.
that nice ass car eating Happy Meals, TV dinners and
Hey,
shit.
yo. Yeah.
Listen.
You're out of pocket, dog. This is the first time I brought the car out, bro. I wasn't even driving it, bro. The snow ain't melt because of the fucking rain. Oh well. I'm gonna let that bitch right there covered up with fucking snow. What's up, man? Where everybody else at? Anybody else coming?
Yeah, what's up with your foot? They coming out?
I told him about it. No, everybody don't fall back. You know, this is the president of Wolfpack right here, my man. Flyboy Feature, you hear me?
Yeah,
Presidential
Flyboy
status,
Feature.
you man.
Yes, sir.
I mean,
Yes,
I
sir.
already talked about you in the beginning of the video and shit.
Yo, man, you gotta show them the wide bodies.
I showed him already the 3, the Subi, the Mara, and the Charlie.
Body Subi, man, Mata Child.
Uh-huh. Yo, yeah, this bougie bad bitch right here. He got a C8 too, y'all.
He ain't bring the
He
car.
ain't bring it outside.
But we definitely missed it, man.
The first day it's over 50 degrees. I'm gonna get you. I'm bringing it back.
that shit terrible in the fucking rain.
It's real well, right?
Yeah. That shit, as soon as you
I
tap
wouldn't
on
wanna
it, that
drive
shit
that.
starts spinning.
I can't really drive my car in the rain. That shit was sliding.
Yeah. And the light is the rain, man.
No, bro, I used to like on my cartoon and shit, bro. That shit's terrible.
Wow.
It's terrible.
Then add a
On 315.
on top of that, and still.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like we said,
I thought the cops was gonna follow me in here. They sitting right there in front of Target and shit.
cop,
Yeah.
we chilling, we ain't even doing that.
Yeah, but you see the dumb shit. This shit. You can't, I mean,
We get guilty by association.
Guilty by that.
how y'all know about this spot if y'all don't do this dumb shit? I don't know what you're talking about. I ain't got no videos of me down here fucking it up. I mean,
The law follow Ralph and shit. They was like, "Where you going?" He was like, "I don't know these folks."
He's like, where y'all going? I don't know these niggas.
they asked you that?
Yeah, we was gonna leave or something.
Oh, that was the one night where they was shut. That's the night that they crashed.
Yo,
Who?
you?
That was the night, yeah.
Yeah, because I remember we pulled up at the gas station. He was telling me about it. He was like, "They asked me."
Man, look.
He was like, "Man, I'm
This is what I use. I can't use my shit, but y'all can use it. I don't give a fuck. When I'm out somewhere, they like, yo, are you with them? Where you going? Like shit like that. I be like, man, you really think I'm gonna put this fucking car, put all this money into with these motherfuckers? Use this shit.
Right.
These motherfuckers crazy, man. I'm trying to get home.
Fucking this showing up being out here with this
Man,
dumb shit.
listen, bro. And I be dead in the center of all that shit recording niggas all like that.
I got them 345s in there, man. Them joints thick, bro. Check them out.
They on her?
340. It's not on there now. You know they can't fit it.
That's
yet.
the biggest tire I've ever seen for a car, cuz. For a fucking car.
Wait, I thought you was getting rims and everything when you go out there.
In March, yeah. So I gotta take these back and get 315.
For the front, right? Man, you gotta take that tire all the way out.
What the
God damn. Sheesh.
Like that 345 works, man.
Excuse me, y'all.
I need the light.
No, I'm gonna put that bitch in my car.
That shit look like it belong on the back of your car.
Bro. Damn, yo.
Truck, man.
Well, my tire like this half.
Yeah,
Like
I
this
got
bitch.
everything but this.
Yeah.
Alright.
What the
What
fuck?
size you got on there now?
These right here?
Yeah,
These 305s.
and that's 345.
345. I'm gonna put these on.
Only thing I don't like about that, they so low pro, yo.
Yeah, so these 345, 25,
Yeah,
20.
see, I need 30.
30, at least 30, 35.
Yeah. 30 at the lowest.
I just 35 on
The
lower.
highest I can go on here is 315.
You know, is his rim deep dish? His rim got a big ass lip on
Yeah,
him?
yeah,
Alright.
Yeah, that shit's
That's the only,
like,
bro,
Uh,
you got to.
They 3-piece, right, Ramsey?
Well, yeah.
Rams.
How much you getting for?
13.
Hey, nigga.
One rim cost that, bro.
That's what I'm saying for a 3-piece set.
Bro, you know how much my 3-piece rim is
Sets
gonna
are
cost, bro?
expensive,
9,000.
9K for them rounds.
No, not for the ones I got on, the ones I want. The 12 and a half, three piece.
I need
Man.
one piece, 2,400.
Listen,
He's showing love, bro. Boy, showing love.
Oh, I pay more for them rims than anybody pay for them.
Yeah, he said 13. I was like,
Yeah, for a 3-piece, bro, that's
3-piece.
you're
Yeah.
not finding
Yo,
that
ain't
nowhere
that
else
ain't that
ever
the
again.
spoiler fins you wanted?
around the corner, pick my homegirl up real quick.
Some boy talking about he making them custom. Boy was lying, bro.
Huh?
The boy in with the blue Camaro.
Oh, yeah.
He said he got them joint custom made, but I seen it on a fucking 370Z from the same website he got the wing from.
So he was cabbing.
Yeah, bro.
He was lying, bro. Watch out for them dudes, yo. It's another one. That don't sound good.
You gotta get, what's it called? Adapter?
What?
It go right on your,
Well, make me turn my car on. Where you going, dog? Then come back.
He representing. He representing, man.
This from a dealership. This shit is
Pricey. Bro, I've been trying to find some.
How much they's going for?
What? Still shirts?
These. The dual car.
WX is probably like 25 or more, and the STI is like 100 or 10,000 more.
so like 30.
Yeah, 30, 40.
So the STI they faster?
It's just
It does
it's
it.
more of
Where
a,
in at?
this is
Yeah,
like
you got
the
an
daily, and a STI is like a track.
I'm out of calling.
Okay.
Why he not out here?
Yeah, Carlin.
Same.
You know, active too.
Once you tune this bitch up, make it faster.
This shit
Like 33 pounds of boost in this month.
One day.
I love how like the round, they're like inside, not like outside.
Yeah.
I call these wide body rounds.
I gotta get
What y'all think of this Camaro, man? Yo, we here's your Camaro feast? 2012 Camaro. He did a full conversion, front end conversion kit on it. He put the aftermarket wide body kit on it. See how wide that motherfucker is. The car wide as shit. Changed the headlights, all that shit, man. New hood coming, I think. Other shit coming. I ain't gonna tell y'all what else he doing. He say, I heard him say he got new wheels. You see them big ass tires he got. So that little clearance, all this shit gonna be gone, man. So Ralph, what you doing? What you modding? When you modding, bro? It's mod season. When you modding?
I got some long tube headers at the crib.
Okay.
But I'm waiting for this exhaust to come in before I do everything.
What exhaust system you going with?
I ain't got it yet. I don't even know. So
I don't know nothing about Camaro. I don't know what would make them sound better.
right, I want something crazy because once these long tube headers are like, or even if I just straight pipe that shit, I always do it. You know what I mean? I don't fucking
That's
know.
false. Okay.
I definitely need the ground effects hit with the splitter, the side skirts. You know what I'm saying? All that shit. But I guess when I went to put money into this joint, I made the move for the C8. So it's like I didn't have the money to put into this joint. Now that I got the C8, I don't have the money to put into that joint. So I'm gonna go back to this shit.
This motherfucker don't know what he want to do, yeah.
I'm going with my budget, and right now the budget say put the money into this joint.
What's your joint that you got on there now? It's 500?
What?
That front lip? I said, what the fuck?
For the Corvette price.
Oh yeah, they wild by the kid. Fucking expensive as shit.
I know the boiler and the MBRP sound good.
Check out this hood you got
I
on
might
there.
have to look into that joint.
Everything functional.
Yeah. This one, I heard the MBRP.
Which I like better? Old school or new school? Which I like better? Who painted your road? They powder coated?
Huh?
They powder coated?
Liquid rack, whatever the fuck that shit was.
Are they liquid wrap?
Yeah, my man, he did the rims, all of the red accent he did for me.
I call myself trying to do it on my car.
Yeah. But too busy, looked out.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I know how to paint rims and shit, but I try to paint my mirrors like a dickhead.
Yeah, they come out how you wanted to.
No. I was rushing to do that shit to make it to this fucking car show
I might do my mirrors.
fucking Poconos.
Yeah.
So, and then it started raining.
I need my halos done.
Man.
Go to East Coast Auto Design, bro.
Find a reliable nigga, man, because I was just telling him I'm almost 1,500 down, and I still ain't got no front turn signals. So listen,
Yeah.
listen.
All my shit work. It's been working for almost 2 years now. You go to East Coast Auto Design, bro. I promise you. Yeah, he did my jobs.
I got my personal mechanic fixing my shit. I got the whole new set in the back. Man, I done fucked my head, fucked the electrical up in this joint. I had to get
That happened to my homie
batteries,
Jeep, yo.
everything, dog. I'm like,
Both of his headlights went out. His turning signal went out on one side.
my fucking, it blew a brake light in the back, but that shit LED, the whole piece is 500. You can't just get a bulb with nothing. The whole joint, 500 on that.
Yeah.
And then I paid the nigga to do the job. And the nigga just disappeared off the face of the earth. Fucking with the Instagram.
Who was it?
Philly something. He know the nigga.
Philly LED custom board. The charger board.
Oh my God. I know he is. Oh man. Damn, bro, what? Meanwhile, we're eating some Chipotle. Some Chipotle. Look at these greedy bastards. Y'all hungry as shit. Got that Chipotle pop. Chipotle. Meanwhile, this old bitch, excuse my language, she felt me. I was about to let these motherfuckers hear it in this motherfucking garage. It keeps saying damaged key. I think I broke my motherfucking car. How, I don't know. The lights is here, it's sitting on. That's it. They never killed my battery any other time. Or the battery not even dead. Just saying bad key or damaged key. Mind you, this is the 2011. It's not the Nord Key 5 or nothing like that. So comment below what y'all think the problem could be, because I don't know. I'm lost. So help me right now. Godzilla is down, so I might have to get it towed. I gotta get this key because my window was down. I'm not trying to stay here all night. Fuck that. So we're gonna see what's going on with it. Ain't no telling. Right now I'm pissed. Like, come on, you failed me, baby. You failed me. You got King Petty. King motherfucking Pelly. Petty, not Pelly.
What's up, man? You know? Represent my Hennessy.
Go Mango. Go Mango. Go Mango.
Third best.
Third best. I wouldn't say, but
Huh?
you know you lost to a challenger, of course. So yeah, that's why. Let
There's
it
another
go.
Charger too that's better than mine.
Who?
Other boys in the league.
Delaware?
Yeah. Remember I told I got the third best Charger.
Y'all, no, his joint regular though.
I'm saying
Being generous.
I'm being petty. Remember, JR, I have the best. I have third best in the league.
Oh, he's a petty
That's what I said every
bitch.
time. Why do you think I say shit every time? You still got a spot. Dang, I keep breaking the trip.
Alright, y'all, what's going on, man? Right now, I'm on my way home. Night is over. A little car meet. Just a little chill, little vibe. I mean, it wasn't nothing too crazy. Just hanging out with some good people, you know. Chilling. I hate this part. But yeah, hanging out with some good people, man. My man Feast and shit. He got an upcoming club. We trying to build on it, man. He got some good members. He really got some real good members. They cool as shit. I mean, see, they got big plans for themselves. So, summer 2022, something lit. We'll see how this joint turn out. Should definitely be popping, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.